Hi, my name is Lakshman. I'm a career technologist, currently running a company called Zero One Analytics. I'm Chief Technology Officer there, and I am also the CTO of a couple of different companies called Gifted Gabber, and I also play an enterprise architect role in Department of Education, US Department of Education project, and so that's about me. And like I'm into AWS quite a bit. My team uses a lot of AWS services, and I am an associate, and my associate certification was expiring, and therefore I was trying to get help on the professional certification. And then I got when I was doing some research, I got in contact with Sprint Zeal, and they have been conducting an awesome training. And especially Om, I'm very happy with the way he has uh, covered the variety of topics which are there in the AWS. AWS has like over 100 or 150, 200 services, and the way he covered the gist of what is required for the solution architect professional exam, and the way he covered the concepts with examples, it's been simply revealing, and it's been a great learning opportunity for me. And he has been very patient with us and answered all our questions.